We're here today with Boral True Exterior Siding Products. Chris here is going to give you a little explanation of what the products are and how we use them. We use a lot of the skirt board with our profile of fiber cement. It gets us a built-in drip edge, our first course starter piece. The 2x also we use this where we have to be at grade around garage doors, anytime we butt into stone or products where we need a thicker look of trim.
Yeah, Chris here with Boral Building Products. We're inside the display trailer right now. I'd like to talk to you about a couple different things. First, the True Exterior siding and trim that's available. True Exterior is a poly ash product. It doesn't absorb moisture and there's limited movement. It allows you to do a lot of different things with it. We've got siding profiles like Cove Dutch lap, as well as nickel gap siding in shiplap. And then you can see the channel siding over here as well. We can get all those real wood profiles in a product that's not going to absorb moisture, is going to have limited movement. We also offer a skirt board. This skirt board allows you to use some of the other manufacturer siding products, eliminate some of the flashing details, and give you a cleaner look without having to worry about bending up that Z flashing or the paint on the Z flashing. Something else that's available in True Exterior trim is the 2x. This again is not offered in all trim products. You're able to get some nice build outs, garage door jams, different things that you can do with True Exterior that you can't do with others. Again, you can take it to grade, below grade. You don't have to worry about moisture getting in it and paint failing.